Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Surface Pro 6 down and removing the type cover and any peripherals. This prevents shorts. Next, heat the back glass evenly to about 50-60 degrees Celsius to soften the adhesive. Use a hair dryer or heat pad. Once warm, attach a suction cup and insert a 0.5 1 mm plastic pick to create a gap. Make sure to work slowly around the perimeter so the glass doesn't crack, and prepare Torx T5 and a plastic spudger for the next step. Once the back glass is lifted and supported, use screwdrivers to remove the internal brackets that secure the battery. You'll see the battery connector on the logic board. Crucially, unplug the battery connector before doing further work so components remain safe. After disconnecting, cut or pull the adhesive tabs under the battery cells slowly and use a plastic spudger to lift each cell. Don't use metal. Keep track of each screw's position. It matters for reassembly and grounding. You'll install the new battery by seating it precisely in the cavity, then reconnect the battery cable to the board. Test power and boot before sealing anything to confirm success. Once confirmed, replace brackets and screws in their original spots. Clean mating surfaces and apply new adhesive strips, then gently lower and press the back glass evenly to bond. If the tablet doesn't power on, disconnect and reseat the battery connector. Check for damaged flexes and ensure screws aren't short.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.